Camping Picos de Europa is a camping park in the north of Spain. During peak season, it accommodates up to 1,000 people simultaneously. Facing challenges such as poor performance of old devices, limited coverage, and high internet demand, Park chose to upgrade its network infrastructure. The park finally chose Reyee devices, installing 2 bridge groups in total, 1 point-to-point group and 1 point-to-multipoint. Let's hear from the client as he shared the challenges faced and how Reyee devices performed.
What have been the difficulties you have encountered in this project to do here at the campsite? Here is a link made from here to there, and the biggest problem was to cross the magnetic field of the high voltage line, and above all the several leafy trees in the way. We even considered removing them, and when we saw how it worked, the trees lived, they stayed alive.
They stayed alive, we didn't have to prune them.
They didn't have an unhappy ending, did they? And there are several fiber links, that is 2 fiber links specifically, and then there is this antenna here, which is the one that makes point to multi-point to 3 points.
An omnidirectional antenna?
Yes, omnidirectional.
This allows us to place, I imagine, at any point a radio link and...
Yes, it allows us to make a field in which you can connect several access points, and the truth is, with a very high performance, and the performance does not drop at any time.
A pesar de que estaba cruzando hojas,